When you spend your days working across lots of different tasks and projects, you quickly realize the key to getting things done is staying organized. There are lots of tools out there that can help you manage your task list, but sometimes it drains time from your day flipping between apps. Not with Microsoft Lists. This handy tool pulls all your tasks and appointments into one place, so you can see at a glance what's left to do. You can also share lists with co-workers, friends, and family to make planning even easier. And of course, you can use it with Teams. Every day, Microsoft is making Teams better and better, so it becomes the central software at the heart of your business. Can we help you get your staff set up with lists, or suggest clever ways you can integrate Teams with your other Microsoft 365 applications? Just get in touch.